What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name is Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. In today's adventure, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite family activities. It's going to Main Event. Main Event, they have a number of different locations, and it's really family friendly. So if you're interested in it and you were just wondering about it, this is the video for you. So, time for an adventure. So a little information on Main Event. They are actually now owned by Dave & Buster's. There's a total of 58 different locations in the United States. This is the location that I go to, which is located in Newark, Delaware. And the address is 2900 Fashion Center Boulevard. So it's right next to the Christiana Mall. So some of the reasons that I like going to Main Event is that they have all these arcade games, and they even have the arcade games where you can win the tickets and everything. They got laser tag. The laser tag's a lot of fun. I didn't do it on this day, but give you a little peek of what's inside there. You have the glowing lights and everything. This is the store where you can trade in the tickets for different things. They have the skywalk that goes above the whole arcade. You put on the safety vest and you can walk around the perimeter, and there's like a slide thing. They've got all the games that you'll see at the different arcades at the shore in different places, and then your regular arcade games with the driving games. And one way to really save money is check the website for different specials that they're running. So right now they're running a special on Monday nights after 4 o'clock. It's $13. Unlimited gameplay, and that does not include the games that you win the tickets with, but it's the games like the arcade games. You can do the experiences, so that's the skywalk, the laser tag. They even have billiard tables, pool tables, and shuffleboard. That's included, and bowling. So bowling in itself is a lot of fun for me, and that makes it worth it going there. Now they also have party rooms. So they have a section for the kids' parties where they can have the party tables, and they have multiple parties there. And then they have separate rooms with closed, you can have it closed off where you can have your private parties. There's like a glass divider there, but it's a private room. There's a TV in there. They will even cater the food in there. The food there, not too bad, pretty good. And they have a sports bar with all the TVs and everything. So it was a lot of different things right there within the whole complex itself. It just makes it a little bit of something for everyone. So if you don't like the video games, you can bowl. If you don't like bowling, you can maybe play some pool, watch TV. So there's a couple different things you can do there. The day that I did this video, they were running a special on Saturday. So if you get there before 12, it was $15, and you get to play unlimited experiences and everything until 5 o'clock. So it was a great afternoon, great way to start my morning, because on Saturdays they start at 9 o'clock. So I stopped there in the morning, bowled a couple of games, lots of fun. Everybody's real nice. So have you ever been to a Main Event? You ever thought about going to one? I definitely like going to Main Event rather than going to Dave & Buster's or Chuck E. Cheese any day of the week, especially when they're running the different specials, because I do like bowling, and it's a great afternoon, a great evening. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you get a chance to check out Main Event if you got one near you. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.